Hey artists, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to Art Within. Soft pastels have been around for centuries. Artists from history used pastels to create beautiful landscapes, portraits, and more. These richly pigmented sticks of color are easy to smooth and blend. So I'll walk you through some basic techniques to get you comfortable using your pastels. Go ahead and gather your supplies and let's get ready to create. First, grab a piece of drawing paper or pastel paper to practice the basics. Blending is just drawing with two different colors and allowing the colors to mix. For the side stroke technique, slide your pastel on its long edge to shade in larger areas. You can use your fingertip to smooth the colors. For the hatching technique, use sharp, straight, parallel lines. Add lines going the other direction for cross-hatching. This one is like a bunch of little hashtags. Hatching and cross-hatching are great ways to add texture and shadows. For twist, turn your pastel on its long edge and draw a line while twisting your wrist. Scumbling is like a bunch of little scribbles. This is a great way to shade or add texture. Pointillism or stippling is a bunch of tiny little dots of color. Place the dots closer together to create a darker tone or richer color. Feathering is a really cool technique. Use soft lines of color to blend from lighter to darker tones. This is a great technique for grasses or animal fur. Now that you've learned the basics for using your soft pastels, you've got the skills and confidence to create anything you want. Be sure to take a picture of your artwork and share it with me on Facebook and Instagram. I can't wait to see what you create.